Hello, good day everyone. My name is Mr. Rogelio C. Ora Jr., one of the PhD student at the University of Perpetual Health System Delta. For this video, I will share some points, ideas, concepts, and probably some steps on how to use some softwares needed in qualitative data analysis. So let's start. All right. For our learning objectives, at the end of this video, the viewer should be able to identify and understand the list of available softwares needed for qualitative data analysis. And I will include also the video clip on how to use that particular softwares that is needed for qualitative data analysis. All right. First, let us identify or know what is behind qualitative data. So, data that are not easily reduced to numbers. Data that are related to concepts, opinions, values, and behaviors of people in social contexts. Transcripts of individual interviews and focus groups, field notes from observation of certain activities, copies of documents, audio-video recordings. So that is with regards to the idea of qualitative data. How about what is qualitative data analysis or what is QDA? Qualitative data analysis or QDA is the range of processes and procedures whereby we move from the qualitative data that have been collected into some form of explanation, understanding, or interpretation of people and situation we are investigating. QDA is usually based on an interpretative philosophy. The idea is to examine the meaningful and symbolic content of qualitative data. How about what is computer-aided analysis? It refers to a category of computer programs that have been developed specifically to aid researchers in completing a range of tasks associated with analysis and interpretation of qualitative data. Some advantages of using softwares in qualitative data analysis. So why we need to use software in qualitative data analysis? How about this one? Is the burden of cutting and pasting by hand and produce more powerful analysis by creation and insertion of codes into text files, indexing, construction of hyperlinks, and selective retrieval of text segments. The next one, with qualitative softwares, your workflow will be similar, but each step will be made easier by the computer's capability for data storage, automated searching, and display. Third one, you can use text, picture, audio, and video source files directly. And for the fourth one, you can assign codes manually or auto-code to any section of text, audio, or video, or part of a picture. And for the last, analysis is easy with the report feature where you can select a subset of cases and codes to work with, choose what data to use, and sort your reports automatically. So those are some advantages of using softwares in qualitative data analysis. So what are you waiting for? Let's use some softwares. All right, so These are the list of known qualitative data analysis software. Let's have first with Max QDA. So it is a qualitative, quantitative, and mixed method data analysis tool. It lets you input data from a range of sources such as surveys, interviews, and focus groups, to name a few. You can then tag and categorize this data for analysis. Some of the softwares having strength and weaknesses. And let's have this. For the strength, it's easy to use and can support a number of different languages. It also uses AI to help users with audio transcription. Weaknesses. For the weaknesses of the software, using it collaboratively in a team is not easy, as individual users have to save their work and then merge the versions. This can be cumbersome. It's also not the most attractive to look at compared with other software. So not all strength in each software. It must be have a weaknesses or weakness. Of course, the price is not included in this. So you may search for the price of every software. But also, this particular example software having a free version. So you just wait for some of the softwares that I will introduce to you. The InVivo or the InVivo. Ayan. So it is a software tool that allows its users to organize and store their qualitative data ready for analysis. You can also import Word docs, PDFs, audio, images, and video. So a lot of format or docu format to upload in this software. Of course, having strength and weaknesses. And for the strength, the interface is easy to use and it's quite like Microsoft. This makes it instantly familiar and intuitive for many users. It's much more powerful than some other offerings and offers automated transcription and auto-coding. For the weaknesses, InVivo struggles with languages that have characters. This isn't a problem, for instance, for Max QDA. How about the Tagalog video? So, might probably will check on this software. The next one, the Atlas.ti. It is a powerful QDA software tool. It supports large bodies of textual, graphical, audio, and video data. Unlike other software in this category such as Quarkus, it has incorporated AI technology as it has evolved. Of course, having strength and weaknesses. For the strength, its interface is cleaner and slicker than both InVivo and Max QDA, and collaboration is easier than in Max QDA. It is also more powerful, both sentiment analysis and auto-coding. For the weaknesses, it can get expensive for individual users such like us students. So this is not advisable for us. Some users have also complained that the coding features are not that intuitive. So let's check for better, suggested for us as educators. How about this one? The QDA Miner. It is a qualitative and mixed method software that helps you to organize, code, and analyze your data. They offer both a paid and free version called QDA Miner Lite. So let's check for this software. And of course, having the strength and weaknesses. The latest version of QDA Miner 6, which was released in 2020, can link up with Tableau, or I don't know how to pronounce this, a top data visualization tool to give you an array of visualization options. For the weaknesses, QDA Miner doesn't allow for collaboration, which would be a big drawback if you are working on data with a team. Within a free version, the import and export functions are limited, of course, that is free. As are the analysis functions. However, it might be enough to get you started if you are looking to test the water. So if you are just testing some software, so you might use this the light versions of the QDA Miner. All right, this one. For me, this is as searching. This is suggested for an educator like us. So Quarkus describes itself as a simple software tool that can help in analysis of qualitative data. It is affordable and a popular within education sector. So come to think for the software and test, download to check this software for us to use in qualitative data analysis. And of course, let's check the strength and weaknesses. For the strengths, Quarkus offers a free trial, which can be great if you are not sure what software is right for you. It is also more affordable than some of more advanced options like Atlas.ti. The drag and drop text functions make it simple and easy to use. You can also work collaboratively in Quarkus in a real time. Of course, we have in the software, we have weaknesses. Its simplicity means that it offers less functionality. So once it's simple, of course, it having a less function. You can have to code manually, and this could be a deal breaker if you have a lot of data to encode. It's also fewer import options than other software. Of course, if it is free, having a struggle for some features, of course. If you have can afford to buy the full version, of course, having a lot of features to use. And the other some, the DDoS. So DDoS, it is a 100% web-based tool for qualitative analysis. It was created by academics from UCLA and was designed to analyze both qualitative and quantitative data. It is capable of importing data from a range of different formats, including documents, images, audio, video, and spreadsheets. Of course, probably this is pricey for us. For the strength, this software is a team-oriented and user-friendly. It is easy to import both text and visual data. It is also compatible with mobile or having an Android format for this. So that is capable for Android smartphones. So or might probably in an iPhone for iOS format. So the prices vary for this. Weaknesses, while they boast affordability, DDoS can work out to be more expensive than other software as they only charge a monthly fee rather than a yearly license. So if you can afford, DDoS is for you. The fact that it's 100 web-based may also be a negative for some. Like Quarkus, there is no AI or machine learning use in this tool. All right, let's check for some more. All right, the Tagete or Taget. So it is a pre-open. Oh, how about this one? Let's check this. Pre-open source qualitative data analysis tool that allows you to tag your data so can then export it for analysis. Of course, let's check the strength and weaknesses. It is a very simple and easy to use. The fact that it's open source, it's also beneficial for many. So this one is also recommended for us. This is open source and free. It offers both an online and local version, but of course having a weaknesses. The fact that is so simple means some drawbacks. Tagete doesn't support images or video like some others software. It also comes with zero automation compared to some of the bigger players that can't analyze your data. So no videos and photos for this to load. No automation. All right. So those are the list of known softwares for qualitative data analysis. So hoping that the rest of those softwares can help you to analyze data in qualitative research. If you have questions, kindly comment to this video after uploading on the stream for us to discuss during our synchronous session. Of course, to end this session, I would like to share this quote from Neil Armstrong. Research is creating new knowledge, like this topic. So this is new to me, and hoping that you learn a lot, and it helps to you to find some software that is needed for qualitative data analysis. Right after this video, I will share some steps, a video clip adapted from Teacher Claire from her YouTube channel. So hoping that this video will help you to navigate this particular software or an example software used for data analysis. So thank you so much and happy learning. Try this software. Thank you. Bye-bye.